Tennis is a perfect sport for illustrating the values that are most important.
Meet tennis coach Steve Wilkinson.
Well done, guys.
I was interested in teaching values and helping people discover who they were and what gives meaning to life.
Steve has stage 4 kidney cancer that spread to various bones in his body.
My expectant life expectancy was 9 months.
That was 6 years ago.
I'm coming up, Tommy.
Steve continues to coach young athletes on the Gustavus Adolphus College tennis team, and he participates in the summer tennis and life camps that he founded decades ago.
Very nice, Bakes.
Most patients I never call by their first name, but I knew Steve as a friend and as a tennis coach before I ever knew him as a patient. Looking so good. How are you?
Dr. Thomas Shives is an orthopedic surgeon who replaced part of Steve's thigh bone with a prosthesis because the cancer had caused significant damage.
He talks about the 3 crowns at his tennis and life camp. And the first of the 3 crowns is be positive. Control what you can control. And that's the way he lives his life.
Inherent in tennis also are a set of sportsmanlike values.
Sportsmanship is the second crown. And the third?
Give a full effort, which obviously he does day in and day out.
Steve, who was inducted into the U.S. Professional Tennis Association's Hall of Fame, writes of these values in his new book, which is endorsed by tennis great Billie Jean King.
The title is Let Love Serve. The more that we focus on other people, the more fulfilled our lives will be.
Cancer has made it necessary for Steve to focus on various treatments throughout his journey, surgeries, chemotherapy, and a very precise high-intensity radiation called stereotactic body radiotherapy to treat the tumors in his bones.
It's a sophisticated technique that's allowed us to treat and successfully kill and control, ablate tumors that in the past we weren't able to do.
Dr. Nadia Locke says to make sure the radiation hits only the tumor and not healthy tissue, patients are vacuum sealed into a pod so they don't move. The targeted treatment allows some patients like Steve to live longer.
Well, hopefully we'll have more and more patients that are doing so well despite having metastatic disease.
Well, ahead of us are the Gustavus National Champions.
The trophies and photos lining the walls of the Gustavus Adolphus Tennis Complex are a testament to Steve's success as a tennis player, coach, and mentor. But the love that he shares with his wife Barbara, his colleagues at the Tennis and Life Camp, and even the players on the court is proof that Steve lives a life based on the values he teaches.
Obviously, life has thrown me a few curves, and I think that following this philosophy, focusing on what I have control over, has allowed me to face cancer in the most positive way.